Welcome to another episode of Carpet Guy's Cleaning Vlog. And in today's episode, I've got my wife working alongside me. She's currently vacuuming. We have about 9 of these small condo units to do. Thought I would film at least part of the job today so that you can check out and know what I'm doing. I have been really busy. I try to overbook myself during the busy season, and I like to overbook myself because I put the money away so that when December and January comes and the season slows down a little bit, I kind of book myself out for half of December and half of January so I can spend time with my family. I'm using the rinseroo to fill up the tank on my 175 rotary machine, which will be doing a shower feed cleaning today. We will be using the Galaxy mop pads, which is basically a microfiber scrubbing strip pad. I'll be putting a CD glider on the bottom of that. You'll see that happen. The purpose of the CD glider, especially on the flat commercial carpet, which usually you don't need it, I'm doing that so that the carpet is not glued down and it has kind of a foam rubber backing to it, so it swells up immediately after the moisture hits it. And I don't want the weight of the 175 to be too aggressive and start to pull the carpet where it would create a loose carpet that would need re-stretching. And like I said, you will notice some bubbling when I show you the final product. Totally normal. It'll go flat once the humidity levels and everything and the carpet dries. It just flattens right out. But the CD glider will help glide across the carpet so that I'm not pulling or aggravating the carpet. Just going to mix up my solution in the tank, and then we'll be able to get started. I do pre-spray or wet the bonnet a little bit before I start. That way I'm starting with a damp, moist pad so that we don't cause heat and friction before the water gets onto the pad through the shower feed, which would be bad. The heat and the friction can actually melt this olefin carpet. We don't want that to happen. There's my pad driver, the CD glider, and that driver, you see the connection? What a pain. It's not your normal connection. Finished with this one vacuuming, so I'll start in this back room and then I'll probably just work here and then I'll show you the work in the second room. And here's where I wanted to show you now that everything's vacuumed up. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not going to pre-spot it with my drill. I'm going to just clean it with the regular scrubbing strip microfiber pads. It should come right out. And here we go. I did speed this up 2 times regular speed, so stay tuned. Okay, my wife has post-vacuumed because we pulled up, if you saw in the video, even though we pre-vacuumed, it pulled up a ton of fine black cat hair or dog hair. That will sometimes happen or occur when the scrubbing strips dig deep. That's a good thing. If you watch the video, you could see as I go across the room how clean the carpet actually became. And we'll take a look in this one, and you'll see the bubbling that I explained to you will occur. It will get worse within the next few minutes. It will expand. You can see back here where it's starting to buckle. Again, that's nothing to worry about. It will flatten out, but the mark that was back here has been completely removed. So there you go. We'll check out the other room, and I will take this time to say thank you to all my followers and subscribers. I appreciate you watching my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.